Don't take me wrong, but one of the weirdest things I ever searched on Google was, do birds have ears? And guess what? They actually do. You just can't see them because birds don't have external ears like humans. Instead, their ears are small openings hidden under feathers right behind their eyes. These hidden ears help them detect direction and distance of sounds. Super useful for flying, hunting, and even avoiding predators. So next time you see a bird singing, remember, they're not just making noise, they're listening too.